Alright, let's see what the tech gang has been saying. Where's our latest video? Alright, what else do we have here? Whoa, what is this? Stylo 4 waterproof. Is the Stylo 4 waterproof? I guess we gotta find out. Alright guys, so we have the LG Stylo 4 right here. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the water for a few minutes. Most drops that you're going to drop in the water are obviously going to be like a few seconds because you're going to be scared and take it out, really. But we're going to put it in here for a few minutes. We're going to see if it survives. The things we're going to be testing after we put it in the water and after we take it out are we're going to be seeing if the screen is working, we're going to be seeing if the camera is working, and we're going to be seeing if the speaker is working and everything else is going to be working, because that's where the water is going to get in. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this in here. All right, we're going to leave the screen on when you do this, so let's go ahead and drop this in here. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take that out. That was in there for about a minute and a half. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do our best at reviving this phone. Test this out. Alright, so we know that the pop feature works, obviously right there. So let's go ahead and do that again. Pop feature. Nice, so the pop feature works. Let's try to get the water out of the speaker. We're going to test the speaker out in a second. Okay, so testing out the screen. Screen works like perfectly, pretty much. So let's go ahead and test out the camera. Camera works perfectly as well. Take a snapshot. Nice. Takes good pictures still. Good colors. Nothing really stopped working. We're gonna test out the speaker right now. Let's go ahead and play a video. And taking a look at the speaker, it looks like it works perfectly. I actually tried this with the Huawei Elate. If you guys do remember that, I actually froze it and water did get inside of the speaker, but this time it doesn't sound like water even got inside of the phone. But let's go ahead and play a video. Sounds like it did before, so I mean, passed the water test, and it was in the water for about 2 minutes, a minute and a half. So I mean, that's most drops are gonna be like 10 seconds. Like, come on, most people are gonna either drop in the toilet, the sink, or whatever. But works perfectly, guys. Works perfectly fine. Like, no slowdown or anything. Camera still works. So it looks like you can actually drop this in the water and you should be good. Even maybe having this phone in your pocket and maybe you go to the water park or something like that, or in the pool, maybe you go in there for 10-15 minutes, this may even be fine then. But yeah, really surprising stuff from the LG Stylo 4. I actually heard a rumor from somebody that the LG Stylo 4 was supposed to be IP67 certified for drops in waters and stuff like that. So I don't know if they kept this in here and didn't say anything, but it honestly works perfectly. If you drop it in water, in my case, obviously, don't go putting your phone in water just to go ahead and test it out. This video was pretty much made for if, you know, you drop your phone in water, you don't panic or anything. But yeah, at the end of the day, if your phone still does work, you don't want it hitting the rest of the vital components inside the phone. So I would put this in a bag of rice and let it sit overnight so you can be 100% sure that your phone is working. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not part of the tech gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload. Without further ado, this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.